Welcome back. You're watching the 7th match in round 3 of TVJ Jnr Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Foundation Prep on 2 and Broughton Primary on 4. It's now time for Section 2, the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, a member of each team will face off against a member of the opposite team in math, science, English language, and social studies. We begin with mathematics, and this is Captain Selene Bola from Foundation up against Rashawn Fletcher from Broughton. Selene, if x equals 13, what is the value of x squared plus 3x?
$208.
Correct. What is 6% of 1,800?
$684.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Rashawn?
Yes, thank you. 108.
Correct. Selene, what must be added to 227 to make it 1,118?
$891.
Correct. Find the area of a triangle with height 14 centimeters and base 5 centimeters.
35 centimeters squared.
Correct. And what is the value of 0.097 multiplied by 10,000?
970.
Correct. Rashawn, your questions. If y equals 5, what is the value of y cubed plus 9y?
170.
Correct. What is 4% of 1,900?
76.
Correct. What must be added to 354 to make it 1,221?
$867.
Correct. Find the area of a triangle with height 8 centimeters and base 9 centimeters.
36 centimeters square.
Correct. And what is the value of 1,128 divided by 10,000?
0.01128.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Selene?
Yes, thank you. 0.1128.
That is correct. We move now to the science face-off between Khalil Hawks of Foundation and Carly Lewis of Broughton. Khalil, what term is used to describe the scattering of seeds from a plant?
Pollination.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Carly?
No, thank you.
Seed dispersal. Khalil, what structure prevents food from going into the windpipe?
The uvula.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Carly?
Yes, thank you. The epiglottis.
That is correct. Khalil, in the life cycle of plants, what stage of development comes after pollination?
Seed fruit production.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Carly?
No, thank you.
It's fertilization. Khalil, what is the name of the period of time a baby takes to develop in a woman's womb? Would you like to try, Carly?
Yes, thank you. Gestation period.
Correct. Khalil, what is another name for the thread which is part of a screw? Would you like to try, Carly?
No, thank you.
It's a ridge or a groove. Your questions now, Carly. Name one agent of seed dispersal.
Wind.
Correct. What causes food in the stomach to mix with digestive juices?
The esophagus.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Khalil?
No, thank you.
It's the churning of the stomach or contractions of the stomach muscles. Carly, what is the process by which plants emerge from seeds and begin to grow?
Germination.
Correct. What is the scientific name for the act of excreting unusable or undigested material from the body?
Excretion.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Khalil?
No, thank you.
It's egestion. And Carly, what is another name given to an inclined plane?
A ramp.
That is correct. The next face-off is English language between Kiara Morgan of Foundation and DeAndre Reed from Broughton. Kiara, identify the adverb in this sentence. The orange on the table was very sour.
Very.
Correct. Which preposition usually follows the word exempt?
From.
Correct. Correct the error or errors in this sentence. Let you and I go to the park tomorrow. Would you like to try, DeAndre?
No, thank you.
Let you and me go to the park tomorrow. Kiara, what is the tense in this sentence? He has written a letter.
Past tense.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, DeAndre?
Yes, thank you. Past perfect tense.
Incorrect. It's present perfect tense. Kiara, give a 5-letter word which means a punctuation mark and the greater part of the small intestines. Would you like to try, DeAndre?
Yes, thank you. Ilium.
Incorrect. It's a colon. DeAndre, your questions. Identify the adverb in this sentence. The boy on the wrestling team is quite strong.
Quite.
Correct. Which preposition usually follows the word prejudiced?
Off.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kiara?
Yes, thank you too.
Judges? That's incorrect as well. It's against or towards. DeAndre, correct the error or errors in this sentence. Between he and she, there is no secret.
Between she and him, there's no secret.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kiara?
No, thank you.
Between him and her, there is no secret. DeAndre, what is the tense in this sentence? The dog had chased the cat.
Past perfect.
That is correct. And give a 4-letter word which means a female deer and at the back.
Stag.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kiara?
No, thank you.
It's hind. And the final face-off in social studies is between Demion Hansen of Foundation and Renessa Somerville from Broughton. Demion, the moon of which planet is similar in appearance to the planet Mercury?
Mars.
Repeat.
Mars.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Renessa?
No, thank you.
It's Earth. Demion, who named Jamaica Examaica?
The Taylors.
Correct. Banda Seri Bengawan is the capital of which Asian country? Would you like to try, Renessa?
No, thank you.
It's Brunei. Demion, in what year did Jamaica vote to withdraw from the West Indies Federation? Would you like to try, Renessa?
No, thank you.
1961. And Demion, who did Sir Clifford Campbell succeed as Governor General of Jamaica? Would you like to try, Renessa?
No, thank you.
It's Sir Kenneth Blackburn. Your questions now, Renessa. Which planet is usually covered by a yellow cloud?
Saturn.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Demion?
Yes, thank you. Venus.
Correct. Renessa, what is the meaning of Examaica?
Land of food and water.
Correct. Khartoum, the capital, is a capital of which African country?
Ouagadougou.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Demion?
No, thank you.
Sudan or North Sudan? Renessa, in what year did Jamaica achieve internal self-government?
1962.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Demion?
No, thank you.
1957. And Renessa, in which country did former Jamaican Prime Minister Sir Donald Sangster die?
England.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Demion?
No, thank you.
It's Canada. That ends the face-off category with Foundation on 10 and Broughton on 15. The final challenge is next on TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge 2021. Please stay with us.